Y capten Nathan Craig a'r Gynghrair yn mynd amdani. O, na chi arbediad rhagorol gan Oliver Davies. O na ddwch a fod o ddim cyffyrddiad yn ôl y dyfarnwr. Y Gynghrair gan Nathan Craig. Mae o'n awlio bod yna gyffyrddiad gan y golwr. Joe Williams ar taliad. Darren Thomas. Thomas yn lledu'r bel at Nathan Craig. Craig ar ergyd o arbed yna. Mae'n ôl at Craig. Mae'r bel yn fflachio ar draws wyneb y gol. Symudiad hyfryd unwaith eto gan y tîm gartra. Nathan Craig yn rhydd yn y cwrt. A mi oedd hwnna yn arbediad campus gan Oliver Davies. Tancock. Danny Alfie. At Chris Jones. Ben efo Craig Jones i fewn i'r cwrt. Gan fan hyn i Loveridge. Arbediad da. Chwarae hyfryd gan Llanelli o fewn cwrt Cosbi'r Cofis. Yr ergyd gan Loveridge. Yr arbediad gan Ramsey. Brookwell, Brookwell. Mae Breeze yn y cwrt Cosbi. Mae Evans ar edrych lawr yr ochr bella. Brookwell yn cael ei lorio. Kick o Spotting. Neu kick rydd. Mae Mr Jones wedi gosod ti y tu allan i'r cwrt Cosbi. O, mae hwnna yn benderfyniad hynod ddadleuol. Noah Edwards. Mae Gareth Evans. Breeze yn rhydd ar yr ochr bella. Dyma Breeze. Mae dysgu ni Brookwell. Brookwell ar ergyd. Mae dal yna i Danny Brookwell. Brookwell i gefn y rwyd. Danny Brookwell yn cael ei heiddiant. Ar yr ail os nad y trydydd cynnig. Brookwell yn ei chladdu hi. Heibio i Oliver Davies. Bradley, yr eilydd i gyffyrddiad cyntaf o. I fewn a Jamie Breeze. Breeze i gwneud ti'n dwy. Jamie Breeze yn gwneud be mae Jamie Breeze yn ei wneud gystal. Bradley yn ei chanol hi. Breeze. Heibio i Davies. A'i gosod ti'n gelfydd yn hefn yr rwy'n. Clark. Mac Jones ar ei holi. Mae'n disgyn i Jordan Follows. Mi hwnna'n gyfle gorau Llanelli o'r gêm arbediad rhagorol gan Alex Ramsey. Darren Thomas. Ar gig gornel. Edrych am Roberts. Mae'n rhydd yn y cwrt! Kai Jones yr eilydd. Y drydedd i Caernarfon. Mi oedd hi mor hawdd â hynny. Jones yn troi ac yn ei chladdu hi heibio i Davies. Caernarfon tair, Llanelli dim.
You know, I've got to praise my lads. We started the game really well. We asked questions of the keeper, we asked questions of their back four. A little bit frustrated after the first half, really. I think we've started the game well. I think Llanelli have had a spell of pressure because we maybe dropped off a little bit. But we finished the first half really well. Second half, when the first one went in, I think Brookie's worked it really well to get himself a yard. Once we got that one goal lead, I felt there was only going to be one winner after that. But they're dangerous, you know. Like I said, they can hurt you on the break, and maybe on another day they could have nicked one. But you know, full of praise for my lads. I thought they were brilliant, and yeah, happy with the 3-0 win.
Andy, difficult after a match like that. Any positives at all?
No, not really. Yeah, I think we got to defend better. We could put that right. No, but difficult performance really.
Also, the burden of winning games 1-0 is now off our shoulders. I would say mine, but it's off ours because it was a fantastic team performance. To score 3 at home is rare in this league. You know, maybe not if you're sort of TNS and you score for fun, but yeah, for us it might be rare. So we're going to enjoy that, but we're back to the training ground, ready for a big test next week against Druids.